She drank carrot juice every day for 8 months. You cannot believe what happened. Famous writer Anne Cameron has told the story of how she cured her cancer. The story is impressive as it claims only to have drunk carrot juice. Read below, we tell you his almost miraculous story and hope. Anne is well known for being the author of hundreds of children's stories, however today, will be the protagonist of this story. It all started when he received the sad news of his illness. He was diagnosed with colon cancer. In June 2012 she underwent oncologic surgery where they tried to free her from her tumor, when her disease was in 3rd stage. But she later turned down chemotherapy treatment, not only because she was feeling very well, but because she had known the effects of chemotherapy very closely. Cameron's husband died in 2005 for lung cancer. Before, he had performed a long chemotherapy treatment in vain. The writer did not want to follow the same path as her husband, whom she had seen suffering for a long time because of illness and treatment to cure her. 6 months after the operation, Anne was told that the tumor had now lodged in her lungs. Although his illness entered the 4th phase, he did not lower his arms and decided to look for alternative ways. So, researching and keeping his hope intact, he found the story of an oncology patient named Ralph Cole. The story he told was very interesting and posed exactly what Cameron was looking for. Ralph was diagnosed with skin cancer at age 26. Very sad with the news but hoping to heal, he began to drink carrot juice every day. The treatment was very simple, so he explained. He made the juice with 2.5 kilograms of carrot and drank it throughout the day. The writer did not hesitate for a second and began her own treatment with carrot juice, consuming regular doses throughout the day, every day. The results were not long in manifesting, although gradually, the disease began to give way little by little. 8 weeks later, the metastasis had slowed, the tumors had not increased in volume and the lymph glands were more inflamed. 4 months later, the glands were already normal in size and shape. The tumors were considerably smaller. 8 months later, the results were incredible. Anne underwent a computerized tomography study, which revealed that the tumors had